very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and we welcome you to the scene.
Does everyone know where they are marking their waypoints? Where their waypoints are? Okay, if you don't, there's what's the words location on the back of each of the signs, show you where to go.
Here we are then, the 2025 Distinguished Gentleman's Ride from Gaydon, Warwickshire, UK.
The feeling.
I am the tail rider for this event, so once everybody's gone through, I'll be the last bike through.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you become part of the scene. The feeling. The rhythm.
Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, obviously a big worldwide international charity event designed to support Movember and men's health. I'll stick a link in the description for the video if you want to go and donate, please do. So the ride today has gone from the British Motor Museum in Gaydon, a nice place if you're into old cars and that sort of thing. Got some very rare and weird looking vehicles there. But we ride from there to Caffeine Machine, which is just outside Ettington. The route takes us through Wellesbourne. We're coming up on Tiddington, then we skim the outskirts of Stratford upon Avon to head down the Banbury Road to our finish.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, you become part of the scene. feeling, and the swinging feel. Rhythm, we have the pure Afro sound.